Bitcoin Cash demonstrates a notable medium-term resistance level at 119.28 cents, and its exchange rate against the US dollar, the Bitcoin Cash to US dollar pair, is currently trading around 228.51, indicating a potential bullish sentiment as it remains above the exponential moving average EMA 20, which is of great significance. The transaction volume of Bitcoin Cash between August 0 and August 4, 2023, is approximately $216,640,000. In this video, we will provide a detailed analysis of the price of Bitcoin Cash for the current week. We will also address frequently asked questions and clarify certain facts, such as the short-term price forecast for Bitcoin Cash and whether it is a prudent investment. In addition, we'll analyze Bitcoin Cash's support and resistance levels, but contrary to popular belief, let's first discuss the current economic climate. Market examination over the outrageously last 24 hours, there quite was a ruin of 1.84, bringing the in every practical sense beautiful whole digital currency market to 1,169,279,238,148 sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in a quite huge matter. The truly absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at 2,924,66,437, or so they in a real sense thought, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 48.66 of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally essentially has a strength of 16.33, which really is genuinely huge, incredibly, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to 29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, which generally is very critical, which is very huge. Various elected digital currencies as Ethereum, in every way that really matters, sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.43 coming to 1844.19 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought, genuinely, as opposed to mainstream thinking, while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at 242.47 following a value change of 0.78 inside a similar time span, or so they for the most part thought in a very significant manner. XRP, the reasonably especially local coin of XRP is special, is up by 0.01 and as of now exchanging at 66 cents, showing how the extremely in every practical sense all-out exchanging volume generally remains at 2,924,66,437 in an in every way that really matters exceptionally large way, in an especially enormous way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77 in esteem, showing how Bitcoin CASH support and obstruction levels, and so on, in a pretty extremely huge manner, in a significant manner. These occasions in every practical sense especially show that the market by and large truly is going in a for the most part truly descending course for sort of in every way that really matters momentary. In an in every way that really matters certainly significant way, in a truly significant way, as of now a very broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Sort of addition appearance how these occasions quite demonstrate, but the market generally truly is going in an entirely descending bearing for essentially present moment, which especially is genuinely huge, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin CASH backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense essentially are significant specialized markers, used to by and large for the most part distinguished kind of fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they certainly thought. Support certainly in a real sense is a level at which purchaser is essentially become in every way that really matters sort of more fundamentally commonly dynamic and actually fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So various elected digital forms of money as Ethereum, in a real sense for the most part is seen a cost increment of 0.43 coming to 1844.19 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge matter. Similarly, obstruction sort of for the most part is a level at which dealers especially become move really dynamic and by and large basically prevent the coin as cost from moving higher, exhibiting how well BNB was exchanged at 242.47 following a value change of 0.78 within the same time frame in a relatively large manner. Listed below are the support and resistance levels of Bitcoin CASH BCH. Bitcoin currency transactions. The current Bitcoin CASH price is approximately $228.51, with a trading volume of $216,216,640. This information indicates that the value of Coco's Bitcoin Cash BCH has attained 60 cents following a decline of 0.77, indicating significant levels of support and resistance. This development is extremely significant for the present status of BCH, which has experienced a 0.27% increase since yesterday and a market capitalization of $4 billion. This number represents a total trading volume of $2,924,660,437 Highlighting the significant size of market activity, this study examines the value of Bitcoin Cash BCH from August 0 to August 4, 2023, utilizing technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index. RSI convergence of moving averages, divergence between MACD support and resistance levels, and a number of timeframe moving averages. These indicators are frequently employed in financial analysis to evaluate market trends and price fluctuations. Using an exponential moving average, EMA, to evaluate the potential future growth of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is the purpose of this analysis. Currently, the Williams %R indicator for BCH stands at 60.321 over a 14-day period, indicating a neutral market environment. An exchange mechanism is exceedingly feasible in this particular context during the period of 0 to August 4, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through an analysis of the Bitcoin Cash price for today and the upcoming week in an effort to answer the following frequently requested questions. In every respect, I am seeking a precise understanding of the anticipated short-term cost expectations for Bitcoin Cash BCH. I am also interested in understanding the underlying reasons for the current level of interest in BCH, which was initially perceived as modest but has since proven to be more substantial than anticipated, contributing to its overall strength and performance record. The Relative Strength Index RSI analysis indicates that the BCH coin is in a substantially oversold state, with the RSI value of 25 suggesting a strong indication of this oversold state. Bitcoin price prediction: as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin